Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you listen. So good morning to all. Let's start today's session. Sarafina, can you hear me? Sarafina, can you hear me? I couldn't hear you. You're opening your mouth, but I couldn't. Yes, come on. So which article do we have to use before the word Sarafina?
And
Yes, tell me. If a word, for example, starts with a vowel, for example, ice cream. No. Okay. Children, you could hear me. No?
yes.
Can you hear me? Children, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
Sarafina,
ma'am.
give me an answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Others, mute yourself. Don't talk. If a word begins with a vowel or a vowel sound, for example, ice cream, which article do you use before the word? And very good. Okay. So, if a word begins with a consonant or a consonant sound, which article do we use before it? Fale.
A.
Fale.
Ma'am,
Fale.
A.
Fale will give me an answer. Unmute yourself. Yes, A. Fale, unmute yourself and give me an answer.
Ma'am,
Which article do we use before the word? If a word begins with a consonant or a consonant sound, for example, pencil. Fale, tell me which article do we use before the word?
A.
A, very good, Fale. So I hope it's clear. If a word begins with an article, if a word begins with a vowel or a vowel sound, we use article and if a word begins with a consonant or a consonant sound, we use the article A before it. And I've told you two exceptional rules. Okay? Which are the two exceptional rules? Sometimes the word may begin with a consonant H, like honest.
Sound is.
But here, the H is silent and it has a vowel sound.
Sound.
So what do we know the word Roshit?
And.
Very good. And R, very good. And Dulkafil. Okay. And Reena, give me an answer. If a word like uniform, which is the article do we use before the word uniform? And Reena. And Reena, uniform. A uniform. Very good.
A uniform.
Okay, A uniform. Here in this word uniform, the word begins with a vowel. The word begins with a vowel, but has a consonant sound. So we use A before the word. Is that clear? So we use Okay, children. Okay,
ma'am.
Then let me ask you, which is the third article? Siva?
The.
Where do we use this article? Adnan? So I'm asking you, all of you don't answer. Why is that you're shouting? that you're shouting, children. Only the person who is called will be answering. So the third article is the. Okay. So where do we use this article the? Janita. Where do we use this article the, Janita? When we're talking about?
Sentence.
No, sentence. What sentence? When are we talking about? Oh, I know. Where do we use this? When we talk about a particular person. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Person,
Article bus.
animal,
Name, animals, place.
Okay. When
Okay, ma'am.
about one particular person, place, animal, or a thing. When I'm talking about this black pen, I say the pen is black. Have you all understood?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
pen
Yes.
is black. I hope the article. Okay, now you stop talking.
The girl is writing. The girl is writing.
Yes, the girl is writing. Very good. Fantastic. The girl is writing. Okay. The
Okay,
cat
ma'am.
is drinking milk. The cat is drinking milk means one particular cat which is drinking milk there. Have you understood? So we say
ma'am.
the cat.
Ma'am.
Have all of you understood?
Yes.
I hope worksheet 4 is very clear to everyone. Did you
Yes.
see the workbook exercises from page 11 and 12, children?
Yes,
Did you do
ma'am.
it? Put a
Yes,
thumbs
ma'am.
up for me. If you have finished your work.
Yes.
Have all of you finished?
Yes. Ma'am, yesterday I completed all.
Yes.
Have you all of you finished?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So today I'll be sending you a answer key to your parents. Parents will cross-check your work and see that whether you have done the correct thing. Okay, children. Today I'll be sending the answer key of worksheet 4 so that you will get an idea whether what you have done is the answer is right or wrong. Okay, children. So let's begin today's session. Are you all ready to begin today's session? Okay, children. So let's begin today's session. Okay, children? Okay. In today's session,
Yes.
we are going to
Yes.
learn.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, one more thing. When I'm taking the class, you please listen.
Ma'am, sound is not clear. Ma'am, sound is not clear.
Not clear?
Yes. Now it's clear.
Now it's clear. Okay then.
Now it's clear.
Now it's clear. Okay, thank you, children. So today we are going to learn worksheet 5.
4.
Helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. What's the name of the chapter? Helping verbs or auxiliary verbs.
Helping words or auxiliary words.
Auxiliary verbs. Now, yes. So helping verbs are called auxiliary verbs. Let me share the screen and I will show you what is it. Okay, children?
Yeah. Ma'am, take the rough book.
No, don't take any of your book. All of you close all your books and keep it. This is just, yes. I don't want anyone to take anything.
Yeah, ma'am.
All of you close your books, children. I don't want you to take any of your books. All of you look at the screen, okay, children?
Yes.
Okay. So we are in worksheet
5.
worksheet
5.
Okay.
5.
I want anyone to open your mouth.
5.
Okay, you don't take anything, okay? You just close your hand. Fold your hands and look at the screen what ma'am is doing. We are learning about helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Okay, helping
Yes, ma'am.
verbs. Helping verbs are called
Called
auxiliary.
auxiliary
Don't
words.
write anything.
Auxiliary words.
Okay, helping verbs are called auxiliary.
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 Can you hear me? Okay.
Yes.
Now, here, all of you look here. Is, am, are, has, have, are called. All these words are called helping verbs. What are they called?
Helping
They are
words.
called as helping
Helping words.
Okay. So these is, am, are, has, have are called helping verbs. Now we need to know what are helping verbs. Okay. Why they are called helping verbs? What are helping? You don't know what words. Only this we know. Is, am, are, has, and have are called helping verbs. Why are they called helping verbs? Okay. Why? Why are they called helping verbs? Why are they called helping verbs, children? Do you know that? No. So let me explain to you first. Why are these words is, am, are, has, and have are called helping verbs? Why are they called? Now let me tell you. Sometimes we can't do things alone. Have you all understood?
Yes.
Sometimes we can't, even me or you can't do things alone. So what do? We take the help of our parents, that is a mother, father, can be your buddy, your brother or sister, to help you to complete the work. Have you all understood? Okay. Sometimes, can you listen? Is it audible to all of you? Sometimes we can't do our work. So what do? We take the help of our mother, father, buddy. Buddy means buddy pairing, maybe your friend or your sister or brother to help you to complete a work. Okay, children? So we need helpers to complete a work. Verb can be like that. Okay? Verb, it needs helpers to complete a task. Have you all understood? So these words are called helping verbs. Have you all understood what are helping verbs now? I'll tell you once more. Helping verbs. Verbs take the help of these words, that is, am, are, has, and have to complete a work. So these words are called helping verbs. Have you all understood now? Okay. If you are not able to do a work, we will take the help of our parents. So who are the helping verbs here? Our parents are our helping verbs. Have you understood? Similarly, parents are helping us. Okay. So parents are helping verbs. Have you all understood? Okay. So here, these words are helping the verbs to complete a work. Okay. But in today's class, we are not moving on to the verb. We are going to just learn the usage of am, is, are with pronouns. Have you all understood? In today's class, we are not going to learn about how it's helping the verb, but we are only going to learn the use of am, is, are with pronouns. Have you all understood? Okay, we are going to learn how am, is, are, the usage of am, is, are with pronouns. Have we not learned pronouns in class 1, children? Have we learned it? Have you learnt it? Which are the pronouns we learnt in class 1? Which are the pronouns we learnt in class 1? We learnt about I, pronoun I we learnt. We learnt about pronoun he. We learnt about pronoun she. All these are called, we learned about pronoun it. All these words are called pronouns. Have you all understood? So in today's class, we are going to learn the usage of am, is, are with pronouns. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. So now we are going to learn the pronoun am. Sorry, we are going to learn about the helping verb am. Am, we observe that am is used with pronoun I. Have you all of you understood? Am is used with pronoun I. For example, what do we say? I am a boy. Have you all understood? I am 6 years old. You don't write anything. You please don't write anything. You just understand the usage of am. We are using the helping verb am with pronoun I. Am always goes with only pronoun I. Have you all understood? Am goes only with pronoun I. Okay? Helping verb am only goes with pronoun I. So for example, I am a boy. I am 6 years old. Is that clear to everyone? Now, we'll move on to is. Helping verb is. Okay? So, is used with singular pronoun he, she, it, or with it is used with singular. Singular means what, children? One. Okay? It is used with singular pronoun he, she, it, and also with singular noun. That is with one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. Is that clear? Is used with singular pronoun and also with singular noun. That is he, she, it, and also with one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. One person, one place, one animal, or one thing. Have you all understood? In today's class, we are going to learn only about the usage of am and is with pronouns. Have you all understood? Okay, is that clear to everyone? I hope it's clear to everyone. All of you look at the screen. Don't be looking anywhere else. Don't open your mouth. I'm sorry, don't open your book. Can you hear me, children? Okay. So we are in worksheet. We are in worksheet 5. Helping verbs or auxiliaries. Okay? I told you in the beginning, why are these words called helping verbs? Okay? So helping verbs help the verbs. That's why it is called as helping verbs. Have you all understood? So in today's class, we are not going to do much with the verbs, but we are going to learn about the usage of these helping verbs, that is am, is, are, has, and have, with pronouns. Only that we are going to learn in grade 2. Okay, children? So let us move on to that. I hope it's clear to you. So today we are going to learn am, is, are. This is what am, is, are. All of you look at the screen. This is pronoun I. Can you see pronoun I there, all of you? I goes with what? Which helping verb? Am always goes with here. Am, helping verb, am goes with, helping verb am goes with pronoun I. Have you all of you understood? Have all of you understood? Is that clear to everyone? Okay, we use am with I. Am is used with pronoun I. Have you all of you understood? Am is used with pronoun I. Am is a helping verb. Am is a helping verb which is always used with pronoun I. Is that clear? We have already studied this in grade 1. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, now we'll move on to the next. He. Can you see the screen, children? All of you, just now? Yes, all of you look at the screen. Yes, is a helping verb which is used with pronoun he. I've already told you in the beginning, is used with singular pronoun he, she, it, and also with singular noun. Have you all understood? Singular means one. When we are talking about one person, one place, one animal or thing, or with he, she, or it, we use the helping verb is. Is that clear to everyone? Is that clear to everyone? When are we talking about one person, one place, one animal, or one thing, we use helping verb is. Okay? Or when we are talking about one singular pronoun, that is he, she, it, we use the helping verb is. Okay, now look at the next slide. She is. She is. All of you look at it. She is. Okay, is that clear to everyone? Now we'll move on to the next slide. It is. It is. It is. Is that clear? Everybody understood? Yes. Now this is the most important one. All of you look at it. Is a pronoun. Is a helping verb which is used with singular pronoun he, she, it, and also with singular noun. That is one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. Is that clear? Everybody understood? When we are talking about one singular, that is pronoun, he is one person, she is one person, and it is one thing. And also when we are talking about one, that is singular noun, when we are talking about one person, okay? Any one person, that is or. One a place, one animal, or one thing, we use the helping verb is. Is that clear to everyone? So in today's class, we have learnt about the usage of am and is. Am is used with pronoun I, and is used with singular pronoun and singular noun. Is that clear? Okay, only with one person, one place, one animal, or one thing, or with one singular pronoun, we use is. Is that clear to everyone? I hope so. Now we'll move on to the... All of you look at the screen. Don't take anything. Don't write anything. Only answer to my questions. That's all. Let me ask you. Children, have you all of you understood the usage of am and is? Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Am is used with which pronoun?
Yes.
I.
Okay, I want a group answer. Aiden Dias, give me an answer. Am is used with which pronoun? Am is used with I. And Kevin, give me an answer. Is. Helping verb is used with which all pronouns?
He, she,
He, she,
it.
it. Very good, very good. Now let us move on to an exercise. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now all of you look at the screen. Can you see the screen? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will do it. Quickly we'll be doing it. Okay, children?
Yes.
We're going to we start reading. We not keep quiet. Okay, Dia, unmute yourself, Dia. Unmute it. Have you? Unmute it, Dia. Can you do it? Unmute it and read the first question for me. Fill in the blanks with am, is. Dia, are you able to do it? Fast, quickly. Unmute it. Not able to do it? Yes. Read the question for me. It's not clear. I've unmuted for you. Yes, come on. Okay, I'll move on to, I'll come to you later. Amaya, read the question for me. Unmute yourself. Amaya, read the question. The first question.
I is happy.
First, you read the question for me, Amaya.
I happy.
I dash happy.
I
Which?
dash happy.
So which?
I
helping
am
verb do you
happy.
use here? What have we learnt in today's class? I always goes with
He.
which helping verb? Amaya?
Yes.
Yes, I dash happy. So what you write here? We have learnt only the usage of am and is in today's class. I. Which one do we use? When we use the pronoun I is always used with am. I is always used with am. There is no substitute for that, children. I only am. Okay, no other substitute for I. I am a boy. I am a girl. I am in class 1 or 2. Have you all understood? This we have already studied in grade 1. So what do we use here? I am. Okay, is that clear, Amaya? Yes, very good. Now we'll move on to the next person. Rex, unmute it. Unmute it, Rex. Yes. Now you read the next question for me. He. Come on, fast. At least we need to do 5 questions. It's already time up. Rex, read, Rex. Unmute yourself and read it. Surprised that you're not able
He dash a doctor.
Then which helping verb do we have to use here? He.
He is doctor.
He is a doctor. Here we are talking about one singular pronoun here. He is one person. We are talking about one boy. We say he. Okay, or one person. We say he. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, now we'll move on to the next person. Arian, come on, read the next question for me. Unmute it and read the next question. Yes. I
dash in class
2.
2.
So what we'll write there? I am. Yes, it's clear. Am only goes with I. Okay, I am. No other word is there, no other substitute, only I am. Okay, now we'll move on to the next person. Abel Renson, come on, read the next question for me. Abel, unmute yourself, Abel. Quickly, Abel. Abel? Can you hear me, children? Is it audible to everyone? Abel Rinson, otherwise I'll go to Riza. I'll come to you later if you're not able to unmute it. Riza, read the next question. It's already, time is up. Riza, unmute it. Yes, read the next question. Fourth question.
She dash my friend.
Okay, so.
She is my friend.
Very good. She is my friend. Okay, so we have come to the end of this today's session as the time is up. Okay, children.
Okay,
I hope usage of am and is very clearer to you. Today I'll be sending the notes in WhatsApp. You have to revise what has been read, and Wednesday, the next Wednesday we'll be doing, not Wednesday, I'm sorry, Friday. Okay, children. Huh? So, I hope it's clear. Is it clear, the usage of am and is? To everyone? Everybody understood?
Yes.
Okay, children, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.